Keto food hacks, stock your kitchen like a pro. Tired of keto feeling complicated? Unlock the secrets to effortless keto cooking. We're diving into essential food hacks that will transform your kitchen into a keto paradise. The ketogenic diet is all about drastically reducing carbs and replacing them with fats. This metabolic shift puts your body into ketosis, burning fat for energy. Knowing the core principles is key to making smart choices when stocking your keto kitchen. Focus on high-fat, moderate protein, and very low-carb foods. Let's start with the foundation, your pantry. These are the non-perishable items you'll reach for daily. Almond flour is a fantastic low-carb alternative to wheat flour. Coconut flour is another great option, but it absorbs more liquid. Stock up on healthy oils like coconut oil, olive oil, and avocado oil. These are crucial for cooking and adding healthy fats to your meals. Nuts and seeds are perfect for snacking and adding texture to dishes. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are excellent choices. Don't forget sweeteners. Erythritol, stevia, and monk fruit are keto-friendly options to satisfy your sweet tooth. Now let's move to the fridge. This is where your fresh ingredients will live. Eggs are a keto superstar. They're packed with protein and healthy fats and incredibly versatile. Cheese is your friend on keto. Hard cheeses like cheddar and Parmesan, as well as soft cheeses like cream cheese and mozzarella, are great options. Avocados are a must-have for their healthy fats and creamy texture. They're perfect for salads, dips, and even desserts. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and lettuce are low in carbs and packed with nutrients. They're the base for many keto-friendly salads and side dishes. The freezer is your secret weapon for meal prepping and long-term storage. Stock up on frozen berries like raspberries and blueberries. They're lower in carbs than other fruits and perfect for smoothies or desserts in moderation. Frozen vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and spinach are convenient and nutritious. They're great for quick side dishes or adding to soups and stews. Consider freezing pre-cooked meats like chicken or ground beef for easy meal assembly. This saves time and ensures you always have a protein source on hand. Shopping smart is crucial for staying on track and saving money. Plan your meals for the week before you go shopping. This helps you create a focused shopping list and avoid impulse buys. Read labels carefully to check for hidden carbs and sugars. Pay attention to serving sizes and net carbs, total carbs minus fiber and sugar alcohols. Buy in bulk when possible for items you use frequently, like nuts, seeds, and oils. This can save you money in the long run. Meal prepping is the key to success on any diet, especially keto. Dedicate a few hours each week to prepping ingredients and meals. This will make it easier to stay on track during busy weekdays. Cook large batches of protein like chicken or ground beef. Portion them out and store them in the fridge or freezer for easy meal assembly. Prepare keto-friendly snacks like hard-boiled eggs, cheese cubes, or nuts. This will help you avoid unhealthy cravings between meals. Ready to take your keto game to the next level? Explore making your own keto-friendly sauces and dressings. Many store-bought options are loaded with sugar and unhealthy additives. Experiment with different keto-friendly flours and sweeteners to find your favorites. This will expand your baking options and keep things interesting. Consider investing in a few key kitchen gadgets like a food processor or spiralizer. These can make meal prep easier and more efficient. Stocking your kitchen like a pro is the first step to keto success. By focusing on essential staples, smart shopping strategies, and meal prepping, you'll be well on your way to enjoying a delicious and sustainable keto lifestyle. Ready to transform your kitchen and your health? Subscribe to our channel for more keto tips, recipes, and inspiration. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and share it with your friends who are also on a keto journey. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite keto kitchen staples.